Cable Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global power cables market size will be $152,142.6 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 7% from 2024 to 2031. North America held the major market share for more than 40% of the global revenue with a market size of $60,857.04 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe held the market share of more than 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $45,642.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.5% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific held a market share of around 23% of the global revenue with a market size of $34,992.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 9% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America had a market share of more than 5% of the global revenue with a market size of $7,607.13 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 6.4% from 2024. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.